Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I install 3-strand braids on my hair, on just my natural hair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We used to call these 3-strand braids matuta, but now they are a bit zimeenda shule, so zinaitwa 3-strand braids. Anyways, this is me just moisturizing my hair. I've had my hair like this for the whole day and it's a bit dry. I'm a lazy natural, if I may say so. I don't like working on my natural hair, so I just put it in a bun, then just let it there, and you can see the condition on which it is right now. After adding the water to my hair, which acts as the moisturizer, I'm going to put it my leave-in treatment. I'm using the Micala leave-in treatment, as you can see right here, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount to my hair. Then just I don't want the white cast to remain on my hair, so I'm going to really go in and just work it in all the strands right there. I love the Micala leave-in treatment because it has some mint in it. Is it mint or rosemary? Like, it kind of has that tingling feeling, and I love that so much. So yeah, that's what I'm just applying on my hair. Then I'll go in, seal it with an oil. I normally use the coconut oil, or when I do have the avocado hair oil, I use that one too. So after that, that's when I'm going to just leave my hair in. Then I'll start my whole process of braiding my hair down, because as I said, I'm a lazy natural and I can't go for long with my natural hair out like this. I don't love working on my hair. In as much as I love my hair length and my hair volume, I don't love working on my hair at all. I'd rather just let it thrive on its own in a protective hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section, how do you love your hair? Do you love leaving it in a natural state and just letting it breathe, or do you often do protective hairstyles to just keep it away because you can't you don't like working on it? Like, I don't like working on my hair. Or let me know. Yeah, let's just have that conversation in the comment section. Let me know. And what do you do to ensure that you retain your hair length and your hair volume? And stick along to the end, because I'll be giving you some tips on how I retain my hair length and volume. So yeah, just bear with me. So right here, I've already finished moisturizing my hair. It has gone back to, like, it has shrink kabisa, but I love it. So I'm just going to do my mini hair update. Is it called hair update? I'm just going to check the length. I may increase if it has increased, or if I've had breakage. I'm going to check that out. And guys, I'm in love with this. Look at that hair length. Like, it's so lengthy. But I think my hair has really stagnated at this point, because it's always not coming past the, is it the bra strap length, or just above my chest area? It's never coming past that. So I think I should do better on that. What do you guys think? I started my natural hair journey. I used to follow everything that was being taught in the internet. Like, I used to follow everything. I used to have a routine. Was it an 8-step routine for my wash day? I used to do the protein treatment, I used to do the hot oil treatment, I used to condition, do the finger detangling and all that, which I still do, though I don't really take much preference to doing all that step, because right now I know that hairs do grow no matter what. Look at that volume, guys. I'm just in love with these. Anyways, I'm going to start working on my hair right now, and I'll use my satin scrunchies from my favorite hair accessory store, that is Bayote Accessories, which is run and owned by me. Anyways, I'm going to cut my hair into sections, because I can't really work on my hair as it is right here. It's so tangled, and not really tangled, but the volume is so much. So I'm going to put it in sections, then put it away using a satin hair scrunchies. And guys, by now I think you all know the benefits of a satin hair scrunchies. It doesn't pull your hair out, so The satin scrunchies don't cause any friction at all to your hair, so you protect your hair from breakage and from the friction. The material also helps you retain the moisture on your hair, which is a plus. So why not invest in a satin hair scrunchie today? And they are colorful and beautiful, and yeah, the colors do pop. And go head over to Bayete Accessories and grab yourself a scrunchie or two. I also do sell satin bonnets, and I also sell satin lined shower caps. Guys, you should invest in your hair care, because trust me, you need it. Right now, I'll start off like from the back section of my head. I like starting from the back of my head. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll just take my scrunchie out. It slides really smoothly from the hair. Then I'll start parting my hair and working, just installing the 3-strand braids as you see me doing here. And guys, let me know also if you are like me. I don't like really neat parts. Okay, neat parts, but not so neat, like so neat. Whenever I do my hair, it's not about the neatness. It's sorry, it's not about the neatness per se. What I really aim for is to protect my hair, because I don't want it to be so tight to my scalp. I don't want to cause breakage to my hair, so I'm not really focused on the neatness, but the protection to my hair. Let me know, what do you like, the neatness or more of protection? Am I making sense? Anyways, I guess I am. So this is me just making my first mini braids, as you see right here. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my video, please do subscribe, I beg. And as you'll see, as I reach to the end of to the tips of my hair, I'm going to start twisting it up. This is because I don't want the hairs at the tips are kind of fragile, so twisting it helps during the takedown process or the unbraiding process. It won't get tangled as much, and twists are generally easy to come out than the 3-strand braids. So that's what I do to protect my edges. That's the first thing that I do to protect my edges, despite moisturizing them. And you see that, guys, it's not as tight, and it's not too bad. Like, it's neat, but not so neat, not too bad, because I'm just using my fingers. I don't use any combs on my hair. Normally I do use, during my detangling process, I do use a wide tooth comb, but not really as much, because I don't want to cause breakage. I prefer going in with my hands or fingers and just finger detangling my hair, so as to get all the knots and kinks out. Because when you use your fingers, I find that when I use my fingers, I can feel all the knots, and I just gently remove them from my hair, and this will stop a lot of breakage, sorry, and I'll retain a lot of length. I hope I'm making sense. Anyways, let me stop talking much. I'll see you later in the video. Let me just let you continue watching the video. I hope you do enjoy the video, guys. Please like the video. Let me know your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, we are at the end and I have just one mini braid left to install on my hair. I enjoyed this process and I'm in love with my hair. Like, I'm in love with this. I think this will protect my hair so much and I'll retain a lot of length and my hair will just rest because I won't be manipulating it, and it will also assist in moisturization because my hair will be out and I'll be able to moisturize it well. Anyways guys, yeah, so that's it. That's how I install my mini braids on my hair. This hairstyle will last me for 3 or 4 weeks, then I'll unbraid it, then just reinstall it again because I love it. Either I have mini braids on my hair or I have mini twists, and I love when I have these, I'm always wearing them out or I put on a wig, which is also protective to my hair. So yeah, this is it. This is all that I have. Look at those parts. Are they neat? I know, so they are so neat. I didn't use a comb, just my hand. So yeah, they are neat and they are not so tight. They are not tight on the scalp, and I'm just in love. I love my scalp can breathe freely and all that good vibes. So yeah, that's it. Right now I'm going to put on my scrunchie. I'm going to tie my hair up and put them in a scrunchie. Tie them using a scrunchie. Guys, never tie your hair with anything that is not made of satin because the rubber bands pull your hair out, which will cause breakage, and you don't want that. You want to retain hair. So I advocate for the satin scrunchies that I do make at the Yote Accessories. Head over there, get yourself one or two, and thank you for watching to this point guys. See you in the next video, and bye.